Welcome to EduSpot. Think about this for a moment. You type a question, press enter and within seconds AI give you an answer. लेकिन कभी आपने सोचा है AI को हमारी लैंग्वेज समझ कैसे आती है? How does it know what we are asking, what we mean and even how to respond in a natural way? The answer is large language models or LLMs. आज हम देखेंगे कि LLM एक्चुअली क्या होता है, ये कैसे वर्क करता है, हमारी एवरीडे लाइफ में कहाँ यूज हो रहा है और फ्यूचर में AI को किस तरह चेंज कर सकता है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन. So first of all, what exactly is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. Simply put, it's an AI system designed to work with human language. इसे ट्रेन करने के लिए ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ टेक्स्ट यूज किया जाता है सच एज बुक्स, आर्टिकल्स, वेबसाइट्स एंड मैनी अदर सोर्सेज. लेकिन यहाँ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. LLM सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर नहीं करता, इट्स लर्न पैटर्न इन लैंग्वेज. For example, it learns which words are commonly used together, how sentences are structured, and how the meaning of a sentence can change depending on its context. इसी लर्निंग की वजह से LLM हमारी लैंग्वेज को प्रोसेस करके मीनिंगफुल रिस्पॉन्सेज जनरेट कर सकता है. Now comes the interesting part. How does an LLM actually work? जब हम AI को कोई क्वेश्चंस देते हैं, the model doesn't simply search for one fixed answer. Instead, it looks at the input, understands the context, and predicts what should come next. For example, imagine the sentence, the sun rises in the dash. Most likely, the next word would be east. But ये simple लग रहा है, right? But modern LLMs do this at a much more advanced level. They process the context and generate a response token by token. So the basic idea is input to context, context to prediction and prediction to output. और इसी प्रोसेस से एक complete response gradually create होता है. But wait, if it's a language model, then why do we call it large? The word large refers to the enormous scale of these models. LLM can contain billions of parameters. Parameters are values that the model adjusts during training, so it can learn complex patterns in language. और सिर्फ पैरामीटर ही large नहीं होते. These models can also require massive datasets and powerful computing system during training. यानी एक LLM को ट्रेन करना नॉर्मल कंप्यूटर पर सिंपल टास्क नहीं होता. The combination of huge datasets, billions of parameters, and a powerful computing is what makes these models so capable. Now let's look at what LLMs can actually do. And honestly, this is where things become really interesting. An LLM can answer questions, write context, summarize information, translate languages, generate ideas, and even help with programming. For students, it can explain difficult concepts in simpler words. For businesses, it can help write emails, documents, and customer responses. For developers, it can assist with coding or सबसे interesting चीज, the same type of AI can perform many different language-based tasks. We don't need a completely different system for every simple language task. That's one major reason why LLM have become so powerful and popular. You might be thinking, okay, but where do we actually see LLMs in real life? The answer is probably more often than you realize. LLM technology can be used in AI assistant, chatbots, customer support systems, education platforms, coding tools, and content creation. For example, instead of searching through pages of information, we can simply ask a question in natural language. Students can use AI to understand a difficult topic. Business can use it to communicate with customers more efficiently. Developers can use it as a coding assistant. So it is gradually becoming something we talk to rather than something we simply operate. You might be thinking, okay, but where do we actually see LLMs in real life? The answer is probably more often than you realize. LLM technology can be used in AI assistant, chatbots, customer support systems, education platforms, coding tools, and content creation. For example, instead of searching through pages of information, we can simply ask a question in natural language. Students can use AI to understand a difficult topic. Business can use it to communicate with customers more efficiently. Developers can use it as a coding assistant. So AI is gradually becoming something we talk to rather than something we simply operate. Now let's look ahead. What will LLMs look like in the future? Earlier language models mainly focus on text, but AI is now moving towards something much bigger, like multimodal AI. यानी AI सिर्फ text को process नहीं करेगा. It can work with text, images, audio, video and quotes. Imagine showing AI an image and asking a question about it. या फिर उसे वॉइस में इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना और एआई का रिस्पॉन्स टेक्स्ट के साथ ऑडियो या विजुअल फॉर्म में रिसीव करना. This makes our interaction with technology much more natural. In the future, we may not need to learn complicated software commands. We may simply tell AI what we want in our own words. And this brings us to one of the biggest impacts of LLMs. They are changing the way humans communicate with technology. In the past, using computers often meant learning specific commands or programming languages. लेकिन अब हम टेक्नोलॉजी को अपनी नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में इंस्ट्रक्शन दे सकते हैं. We can say what we need, explain our problem, ask follow-up questions, and refine the result. In simple words, human language sent to AI understand and then give back as a useful output. And this makes AI much more accessible. Whether you are a student, a business owner, a developer, or simply someone using technology every day, natural language can become your interface to AI. So let's bring everything together. Large language models are powerful AI systems that learn patterns from huge amount of data and use those patterns to generate human-like language. They can answer questions, create context, summarize information, translate languages, and assist with coding. But at the same time, we need to remember their limitation. AI can be extremely useful, but human judgment still matters. And perhaps the most important thing about LLMs is not simply that they can generate text. It's that they are changing the way we communicate with technology. हम कंप्यूटर को कमांड देने के बजाय आप उससे बात कर सकते हैं, and this is just the beginning. The future of AI may not be about humans learning how to speak like computers, but computers become better at understanding human speak. Thank you.